If you're heading into the mountains, spending a weekend by the lake, or setting up camp miles off the grid, having the right portable refrigerator can make all the difference. In this video, I'm breaking down the 10 best 12-volt refrigerators that combine smart design, durability, and efficiency. Perfect for anyone who loves to camp, road trip, or explore the outdoors in comfort. Number 1. EUHOMY Refrigerator. If you're serious about outdoor cooling performance, the EUHOMY refrigerator is a top-tier choice. It's packed with smart features like app control, energy efficiency, and frost-free technology, making it one of the most convenient portable fridges out there. Built from durable, low-density polyethylene with a solid plastic door, it's made to handle bumps and rough rides on the road. It offers a large 55-liter capacity and operates on just 45 watts of power, which is impressive for how efficiently it cools. If you're planning long road trips, overlanding, or RV camping, this fridge is a powerful and reliable companion that can keep everything chilled with ease. Number 2. BougeRV Refrigerator. The BougeRV refrigerator is perfect for campers who want portability without giving up performance. This 12-volt fridge features memory function, which means it remembers your settings even after being unplugged. Super handy for off-grid adventures. It has a 23-quart capacity and a lightweight 21-pound design, so it's easy to move around your campsite or vehicle. You'll also get multiple color options: gray, black, purple, and pink. Plus 4 variants, including models with or without a cover. The energy-efficient compressor cools fast and runs quietly, making it ideal for car camping, truck setups, or weekend getaways. Next up is the Megiu refrigerator. A solid, budget-friendly option that balances simplicity and reliability. This portable fridge uses a manual defrost system and a compact internal freezer, ideal for keeping snacks, drinks, and perishables cool while camping or on the road. It comes in fun color options like blue, green, and white, adding a bit of personality to your setup. With 23-quart capacity and an energy consumption rate of just 113 kilowatt-hours per year, it's impressively efficient. It also comes in 3 size options: 13.5, 19, and 23 quarts, making it versatile for solo campers or small groups. Number 4. VEVOR Refrigerator. For campers who prioritize performance and build quality, the VEVOR refrigerator is a standout. It's available in multiple sizes, from a compact 10 quarts all the way up to a massive 100 quarts, giving you options for every type of trip. The side-by-side configuration and automatic defrost system make it incredibly user-friendly. It's built with a sleek gray finish, weighs around 22 pounds, and consumes very little energy, just 75 kilowatt-hours per year. Whether you're using it in an RV, truck, or van, the VEVOR is reliable, spacious, and designed for serious campers who want efficient cooling without the bulk. Number 5. Ivation Refrigerator. The Ivation portable refrigerator offers a perfect blend of convenience and performance. With a 24-liter capacity and lightweight design at just 7.7 pounds, it's one of the most portable options on this list. It includes both cooling and freezing zones, giving you flexibility whether you're storing drinks or frozen meals. It's powered by a 40-watt system and designed with easy button controls for quick adjustments on the go. Available in blue or aqua blue, it also has a sleek plastic build that's durable yet easy to clean. If you're an occasional camper or road trip enthusiast looking for a compact, efficient fridge, the Ivation model is a reliable and stylish pick. Number 6. Feelfunn Refrigerator. Now, if you're looking for a refrigerator with smart control and serious capacity, the Feelfunn refrigerator might be your best bet. It features dual-zone independent control, meaning you can set different temperatures for 2 compartments, one for freezing and one for cooling. Available in 3 sizes, 40, 50, and 61 quarts, and it's built for trucks, RVs, and campers. It's designed to handle vibrations and rough roads with its anti-shake system and low-noise operation. With a 58-liter capacity, touch control, and frost-free design, it's great for extended camping trips. Number 7. BODEGA Refrigerator. The BODEGA portable refrigerator brings a lot of modern convenience to your campsite. It's known for its low-noise operation, built-in LED lighting, and multifunctional non-slip base that keeps it stable wherever you set it down. It also supports app control, so you can adjust temperatures right from your phone. With a 38-quart capacity, automatic defrost, and energy-efficient design, it's perfect for van life, truck camping, or family trips. The 36-liter internal space is surprisingly roomy for its size, and its 1 kilowatt-hour annual energy consumption makes it very efficient. Number 8. Setpower Refrigerator. If you want power backup and quiet performance, check out the Setpower refrigerator. It's built with 50-hour backup cooling, anti-shake stability, and app control, combining convenience and rugged reliability. Available in colors like black, green, gray, and white, it's both functional and stylish. With 21-quart capacity and multiple variants up to 32 quarts, it's flexible for short trips or longer journeys. It consumes about 175 kilowatt-hours annually, runs quietly, and offers automatic defrost for low maintenance. Number 9. Wagan Refrigerator. For those who prefer a simple and compact option, the Wagan refrigerator is a great pick. This 14-liter cooler and warmer combo can keep your food cold or your coffee warm, depending on your needs. It's completely freestanding, built for portability, and features a cooling range of 32 to 36 degrees. With its lightweight design and reliable performance, it's ideal for short weekend trips, road journeys, or even daily commuting. If you want versatility and simplicity in one, the Wagan delivers exactly that. Number 10. Alpicool Refrigerator. Finally, we have the Alpicool refrigerator, a well-rounded choice trusted by many campers. It features frost-free operation, 45-watt efficiency, and a capacity of 16 quarts, though it's available in other sizes up to 21 quarts. It's built from sturdy plastic with durable shelves, and it maintains low energy consumption at just 130 kilowatt-hours per year. The cooling is fast and consistent, and the compact design makes it perfect for smaller vehicles or limited space setups. If you're looking for an affordable, durable, and efficient mini fridge for outdoor use, then this is a dependable choice, and that is our list of 10 best 12-volt refrigerators. From compact coolers to smart, app-controlled powerhouses, each one offers something unique, whether it's portability, capacity, or advanced features for long trips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews just like this one. And if you want to learn more about any of these products, you'll find all the links in the description below.